Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and today we are putting on this cute little Amazon pixie cut.
If I had $1 for every time that my life took a sour turn.
I'm not sure why it's rolled up like this, but let's do it. We have combs on the side, comb at the nape, adjustable straps. I flipped it inside out. We have a 13 by 1. It's not even really a 1, it's like half. So you can see the parting that you get. The front middle was about an inch, but the sides are definitely more so half. Looks like HD, a little ashy. Smells chemical-y. The knots are black. Pretty black. Look big. It looks super crazy, but I think we can make it work. First of all, this thing is shedding. There's a lot of hair on the table right now. So this is how it's looking. Now I'm going to show you really close. So the tracks are laid like this. When you part the hair, you can kind of hopefully see. So it doesn't make a lot of sense to pluck it or bleach it. It's just like unnecessary work, because how much plucking can you do before you hit the track right there? Like, it's just pointless, and these knots look too thick to really do anything. Let's go ahead and get it down. So when I cut, you can see where my makeup is on the lace. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just add it evenly, and I'm gonna just use whatever's on the brush. I'm not taking any more. Definitely zigzagging it because this lace is late. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to spray it down and secure it, or just use my gel, which I think the gel is the best bet because it's just like ½ an inch too small on both sides, so it's kind of popping up. I'm gonna pull out some edges. We're gonna make baby hair, and this will probably take me a while because I don't really have a plan. I'm just gonna do what feels right.
Did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like okay.
Now taking my Nairobi foam wrap, and what I'm doing is putting it all around my hairline. It's going to do two things. One, secure the edges even more, and I'll be able to move this hair a little too. And it also will lay down any lace in between the edges that I didn't get. Like I got a lot by my ears. And I'm going to use my wrap to tie my hair down, wait until it dries, and then I'll come back. I'm not going to do it on camera though, because that band has a name on it and it's not the company that I'm using it. So I'm going to also no, I was going to say I'm a hot comb it, but I'm not, because this hair is so short. I want to get as much curl as I possibly can. So we're going to use water and Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch. This thing is broke, so I have to keep like spraying it and then pushing it out. So it's going to take me a while to get this wet, but
I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
Since the hair in the back is so short, I'm just combing up through it instead of down. Doing a little scrunch. With hair like this, when you can't get a definite. I just realized it's not sponsored, so it should be okay. It'll be just between me and you, but it's not this company's hair. It's just the band I'm using. So this is how the lace is looking. These little pieces are kind of silly, so I'm gonna cut them. And keep in mind it's gonna shrink a little bit as it dries, but it don't need to be that long. Okay, so we're going to talk about this hair. It says to be human hair, plucked, bleached, knots, pixie cut. Plucked, bleached where? Where was it plucked and bleached at? Couldn't have been on mine because the knots are thick, black, thick and black. The hairline was very full, as you saw in the beginning. So those two things wasn't happening on this wig. And Honestly, if it did come plucked and bleached, I feel like the price would be higher than $30, because that would be, yeah, that would be crazy. Good crazy. It is a 13 by 1. 13 is from ear to ear, and the 1 is mainly like right in this area. On the side is half an inch, if that. Doesn't make sense to pluck, especially if you like a heavy plucker. It does not make sense because you're gonna pluck it too much and it's going to show the tracks. The tracks are laid like this on sides, so you have to be careful with how you move the hair. Being that we can't go in and make a real part, I just try to like mold my hair, you know, like you see that flat, to make it look like more of an illusion of a part. The hair is black. The curls are cute, very nice. I think for this length, it's like the perfect type of curls, not too tight, not too loose. The hair has a smell. I was trying to ignore it, but it does have a smell. So I'm gonna take mine off, wash it, condition it. I'm gonna condition it overnight because it was shedding. I had a pretty good amount of shedding. Now, it didn't too much bother me because I didn't comb through this hair before I put it on. So I'm not sure if it's initial shedding and, you know, you just gotta work through it, or if it's gonna continue to shed. But I could definitely let you know. As far as tangling, no tangles whatsoever. If it was tangling and it was this short, it would just be bad. If you are not someone who likes to do edges, this may not be the wig for you, because that hairline was thick. Like, you can't just put it on and do nothing to it. So this is definitely for the girls who want to do a little bit more. From ear to ear, I cannot just wear it loose, glueless, because it doesn't come all the way down like I would want, so it will be flapping. But if you have a smaller head than me, I have a 22-inch circumference, then you should be fine with wearing it glueless. I personally wouldn't probably want to wear it glueless because I like this look. I like how it looks more like, you know, molded and secure. I didn't use any glue. All I have is my gel, which is the same thing I did in my 5-minute lazy hairstyle video. Just use gel. Well, in that video I actually used Got To Be spray, but this is just gel. And then I use my mousse to kind of like hold the mold. So the reason I like to do that is because when I wash this hair, these edges are going to be stuck in place. Like, they're not going to move. Unless I want them to move, they're not going to move. Wait, the back. So my hairline in the back is kind of like, the sides right here come down farther than the rest of the hair in the middle. So the hair in the middle is like here, and then my outside hairs are like here. I hope that makes sense. So the kitchen is going to be showing. If your hairline's like that, or if you're one of those people who your hair goes down your neck, you have to work with this wig to make it look how you want in the back. I still don't know how the back look, but hopefully it's good. Yeah, I think this wig is super cute. I would definitely wear this again. My first day doing my edges, I usually don't like it. It's usually day 2 or 3 that I fall in love with it. So I'm gonna wait until then. I'm gonna see what I think about it. But so far, I say it's a great wig, and I'm excited to like play around with this some more. I really want to color it. It does say to be human hair. I don't know if it will take to color. Personally, I feel like it is human hair just by the way it reacts to water and gel. I feel like it is, but there's no way to really know that until you test it either by heat or bleach color, something like that. The pros do outweigh the cons. Right now the cons for me, the main two, the smell and the shedding. Besides that, I think I've said everything I want to say. If I'm forgetting anything, I'll put it in the description. This hair is from Amazon. It was $30. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If I had $1 for every time that my life took a sour turn, I'd be rich and rolling, violent and hollering at your girl.
I've been a